Hello everyone, today we will learn the tricks of the 19 times table. Before going through the tricks, let's review the 19 times table. 19 times 1 is 19. 19 times 2 is 38. 19 times 3 is 57. 19 times 4 is 76. 19 times 5 is 95. 19 times 6 is 114. 19 times 7 is 133. 19 times 8 is 152. 19 times 9 is 171. And finally, 19 times 10 is 190. Now, here is the trick. What we all have to do, just write down the ones digit in descending order from 9 to 0. That is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Then, for the tens digit, write down all the odd numbers from 1 to 19 in ascending order. So, we get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. Now, take a look, here is your 19 times table is ready. By using this method, you can easily memorize the 19 times table. It's a simple and effective way to learn. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our mockstation channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss our new videos. Thank you again and see you in the next video. Have a great day.